Hello and welcome to another Electric World video featuring the latest news about Tesla. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps you get notified when we post more content just like this. The big news for semi-production is that Tesla plans to begin producing 5 semi-trucks per week. According to Yahoo Finance, Tesla is developing a low-volume Tesla semi-production line, and once it's done, the company expects to produce 5 Tesla semi-electric trucks per week. Tesla is planning to prepare for volume manufacturing of semi-trucks at Giga Texas once it's able to ramp up battery production there. Tesla got a new order for 10 semi-EVs and 2 megachargers on Monday. According to Benzinga, this is supported by over $2 million in federal government support. On California's southern coast, the Mobile Source Air Pollution Review Committee is investing in a clean transportation program. As part of this investment, it has given $1.8 million to MXS Leasing LLC, a logistics firm headquartered in California, for the deployment of 10 Tesla Semi-Class 8 semi-trucks, as well as an extra $560,000 for the deployment of 2 overhead electric cranes. Tesla helped MHX with its funding proposal, reported that the offer involves 2 megachargers at MXH's Fontana, California site. Just after the news broke, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that semi demand isn't a problem, but that short-term cell supply makes scaling the semi difficult. He also mentioned that this limitation would be less onerous in the next year. While many seem to see this as yet another delay, it should be remembered that Elon Musk was speaking about the challenges of the scaling of the semi's manufacturing. The possibility of Tesla delivering its first few semi in 2021 remains viable. This belief appears to be reinforced by a new report indicating that Tesla expects to manufacture 5 semis per week basis once the low volume production line is completed. Surprisingly, Tesla delivered a record number of electric vehicles in the first quarter, despite having increased electric car competition and global supply chain problems. The Silicon Valley automaker's nearly 184,800 global sales in the first 3 months of the year surpassed the previous quarter's record and more than doubled the same time frame in a year before, when Tesla shut down its sole US car factory due to the coronavirus pandemic. Deliveries were up around 2% from the year-end period, above analysts' estimates. Last year, the electric car manufacturer shipped nearly 500,000 cars to consumers worldwide, marking its first full year of profitability, and it expects deliveries to rise by more than 50% in 2021, but it hasn't set a clear target. Another big news is that Tesla is going to hit a new production high by speeding ahead with the Austin factory. Tesla says it is breaking industry milestones for truck production and sales as expansion continues, as hiring ramps up at its $1.1 billion manufacturing facility near Austin. According to the company, it manufactured more than 180,000 vehicles and shipped more than 184,000 vehicles in the first quarter. The delivery numbers come as a construction of the $1.1 billion manufacturing facility in southeast Travis County continues to move swiftly, with plans to start rolling out vehicles as early as this year. Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed in July that the company's newest facility, called Giga Texas, will be located in southeast Travis County. Tesla delivered mostly Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossover SUVs, which are the company's less costly models. The Model Y has received a positive response in China, according to Tesla, and the company is nearing maximum production capacity. Tesla also stated that the development of new Model S and Model X vehicles is currently in the early stages of ramping up. Tesla did not manufacture any new Model S sedans or Model X SUVs, but it did supply 2,020 vehicles from existing inventory, accounting for around 1% of overall deliveries for the quarter. An analyst with Wedbush Securities, Daniel Ives, said that There couldn't have been a better time that Austin could be getting this Tesla factory, just as we're heading into this next stage of growth. As Tesla continues to grow its numbers, the Austin location will contribute to the vehicle rollout, he said. According to Ives, Tesla could deliver up to 1 million vehicles this year. For the full year of 2020, the company delivered 499,550 EVs to the market. Tesla has reported that it will build its Cybertruck, Semi, Model 3, compact sedan, and Model Y vehicles in Austin. Musk also stated that the company will begin delivering vehicles at the site as soon as this year. According to Ives, Tesla's electric vehicle sales are expected to rise. Electric cars account for around 2% of all cars produced in the United States, a percentage he predicts will increase to 10% by 2025. Ives said that there's going to be a lot of production coming in, and that's going to have a ripple effect, not just within Austin, but I think for Texas as a state. We're going to see more EV supply chain and build-outs across Texas as well as the Midwest. Tesla's record numbers, according to Ives, came as demand slowed and a global chip shortage forced key automotive parts to be delayed, slowing many manufacturers. It's a golden age of EVs, and we're only in the first inning. We saw these numbers with a global chip shortage, a record quarter, and a seasonally weak quarter one, Ives said. It was the drop the mic moment. Austin is supposed to be a crucial location for Tesla in the future, and Musk, who announced in December that he had recently moved to Texas, has made it a priority. At the time, he said that Giga Texas and his South Texas SpaceX facility are his two main focuses. Hiring is already ramping up for the Austin location, with more than 280 positions currently listed on Tesla's job site. Musk also said on Twitter on Thursday that the site would hire more than 10,000 people by 2023. Another news is about Tesla stock. After Treasury yields declined from highs and US President Joe Biden announced its infrastructure program, Tesla shares received some upside momentum in recent trading sessions. The successful deliveries report and strong demand in China may be additional bullish catalysts for Tesla shares, allowing them to break through the main resistance level at the 50 EMA of $690. Meanwhile, it's worth noting that analysts and market expectations are always different. Analysts expect Tesla to gain $4.14 per share in 2021 and $5.6 per share in 2022. However, the stock is trading at a forward PE of 118 for 2022. At these valuation stages, changes in the company's market capitalization are influenced by market mood, so a seemingly positive result can be interpreted as a negative report by too optimistic markets. I'd also like to point out that Tesla shares are currently trading around 25% below their all-time highs levels in January 2021, indicating that they are already in a bear market. A breakout of the bear market could attract more speculative traders, giving Tesla stock a boost. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to continue to learn about everything regarding Tesla's next projects and Elon Musk, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. And don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our Electric World channel for daily content just like this.